Wow, I am so excited to be here with you again this week. Distinct people. Oh, how many of us remember that when we are about to start a new year, people did come up with new and different forms of resolution, dreams, goals, objectives, obligations, and purpose. But till now, did you know that some of these good thoughts are still yet to be materialized, even till today, due to personal, interpersonal reasons governed by discouragement? There are some levels and stages in life that so many people would have passed through successfully if they hadn't subscribed to the limiting and restricting factor called discouragement. Discouragement is contagious. It will always happen to you. It is inevitable in your journey in life. But your response to it is what matters. Do you want to live with it, or do you want to live above it? And here is one thing about discouragement. It deprives you of your courage to do valuable and worthwhile things in life. But nevertheless, discouragement is a factor of choice. You can either control it or avoid it. There are so many reasons why people get discouraged in life, part of which are the fear for criticisms. Criticism is a normal thing that shouldn't stand as a threat to you anymore. When you are scared of being criticized, you won't achieve any valuable or worthwhile things in life. The second one is avoiding stress and pains. The shortest way to being discouraged in whatever you do or plan to do in life is to be avoiding stress. Nothing of value comes so cheap in life. Everything that has quality value to you in life will require you to get out of your comfort zone and confront the main zone. There is absolutely no gain without pains. Thinking of producing a perfect result with no pain or stress is a quick way to get discouraged in all your approach in life. Distinct people waiting for encouragement to do what you are supposed to do at a time is the first step to failure and disappointment in life. Action is suicidal to discouragement. Whatever you act on is what remains in your heart. Taking a quick bold step always is what frees you totally from a life of discouragement. At this point, distinct people, let me share with you how I freed myself from a life of discouragement when I was about to start in this aspect of speaking. Did you know that there are some abilities that you think you have, but at the other hand, find yourself being deprived of the capacity to explore and exhibit it? Majority of my own problem came in as a result of discouragement from the personality I least expected such from. Some went extra mile to talk me down using direct abusive words against me. One of the most destructive and discouraging of all came when I was preparing to start in this area, when one of them said to me that I don't have anything it takes to start and stand in this aspect. Though I was discouraged, but not totally discouraged, because I just remember one thing at that time, that only those that do not understand what to stand for in life use the first three letters in the front of the word discouraged to lure you down. Now let me tell you how I got my courage back. I wrote a declaration which stated that discouragement has no power over me. I have courage and ability to achieve and accomplish my goals and objectives in life, irrespective of what people say. And I set up a core value which talk about commitment, consistency, and integrity. That was how I overcame discouragement in this aspect of my career. Do you have a core value that guides your life? What are your core values? Hear this, distinct people. When you live your life without a core value, there is no way you can be free from a life of discouragement and that of mediocrity. Because when you run your life without a core value, you end up adding no value to your own life. I made a statement some time ago that it is your core value that guides your life to attain and obtain its own value in life. One of the major reasons why people try to discourage you from doing valuable things in life is that they feel insecure with where they are and what they have achieved and accomplished, thinking that you are going to outcompete them and add more value than them. To be free from a life of discouragement, distinct people, you must pay attention to how you spend your time and the companies or friends you keep per time. You have to be proactive, learn quickly to get over the moment of dismay and move on with your day. Stop comparing yourself. Take responsibility. Work don't kill, work only heals, and make things work for you. Go for what brings you joy. Stay motivated. Get inspired. Do not subscribe to a life of discouragement. People that get discouraged easily do not live up to expectations in life. Give your best in all you do. Never at a time substitute the moment to do what you are supposed to do for what is unnecessary at a time. Opportunities of life only subscribe to two principles: time and action. Stay away from allowing discouragement deprives you of your best moments in life. You have the power to control whatever comes to you in life as you go through this week. Stay away from excuses and discouragement that deprives you from your best moment in life. Remember, a belief in yourself makes you live in the reality of yourself.